Recently, we saw that because of Way B, there was a big uproar in Delta State. Extrajudicial buying happened. Now, who is actually the owner of a Way B? Stricto sensu, the owner of a Way B depends on the content of a Way B. Now, if the Way B contains items covered by street liability, like what's it called? Maybe eat their hair, gun, any other offensive weapon, street liability. The law will presume that the receiver is actually the owner. Now, what is street liability? Street liability are all those offenses, list of crimes that you need not necessarily prove that you have the intention. You know what the item means, or you know what the item is used for. No. The law only look at was the item found in your possession, was the Indian hand gun found in your possession. Those are offenses of street liability. You know, it only requires the physical element, not the mental element. Whether you know what is used for is immaterial. Whether you know what the gun Indian hand is used for is immaterial. What the law will look out for is, was it found in your possession? Now, if the Way B is Way B that carries names of the actual receiver, for example, somebody Way B a certificate for you, help me to give to Mr. B. Fine. All those ones does not fall under street liability. You can simply say, I look at the name of the document. It's not my document, you know. Let's say there would be what's it called, a shoe, and they wrote the name of the real owner on it. Help me to Way B, go help me to collect it. Now, even if you collect those Way B, you can simply explain that I'm not the owner of the Way B. I just received it. Go and look at it. You know, the fact, in that case, the fact will speak for itself. Reps Isalokuto. I just received it. Let's go and meet the owner. But if he carried the Way B is Idiahem, a gun, other offensive weapon, the law of street liability applies. It is presumed that you are the owner of those items. Now, what did the law says? The law does not permit extrajudicial killing, jungle justice, just by the person, shoot by. No. The law says that police arrest and prosecute the person, take the person to court, and the court will sentence the person. So nobody supports jungle justice. Nobody supports extrajudicial buying. Above all, make sure before you receive a Way B, make sure you know the content of the Way B. Make sure the content of the Way B is not part of those items that falls under street liability. Because before you be saying I don't know, or I don't know the contents, or I don't know if it falls under street liability, you will find yourself in prison enjoying yourself. Because ignorance of the law is not an excuse. I don't know, not there. Ignorance juris not excuse. Make sure you know the content of a Way B before you receive it.